Hey guys, what's up? This is Shivari from eGadgets for you, and in this video I will actually answer the most highly asked question is how to record your screen running on a Windows machine. And yes, it's totally free. So without further ado, let's quickly get to it and find out how to do this particular thing. So guys, I have shifted this particular camera in the working angle, and before I screen record my laptop, that is a Asus Zephyrus G40 laptop. By the way, the review for this particular laptop is already out. Do check out that particular video, it's very interesting. Anyways, going off topic. Now yes, before I start screen recording and tell you the stuffs and guide you through this particular process, I want to tell you one important factor that the laptop, or if you're running on a desktop and you are having that NVIDIA GeForce software or the graphics card embedded in it, and for that you're using the NVIDIA GeForce Experience software, that particular software has one feature of recording your screen for free, but that only works if you're recording your gaming screen. By gaming screen, I mean if you're playing games on your laptop, in your Windows laptop, or in your Windows machine desktop, then only you can use that particular GeForce Experience screen recorder to record the screen while playing games. But this particular feature which I will show you, it's actually absolutely free, and it will record your screen regardless of not only of games but also of anything that you are doing in your particular screen of your laptop or your Windows desktop. So without further ado, let's get to it. So yes guys, this is my screen as you can see over here, but first what I'll do is that I'll go to Firefox, and over here I will write download OBS. The link for this particular software, actually I'll put it in my description as well. You can check out that particular thing as well. As of now, I'm going to download OBS. The first thing that appears over here, and over here you will find that this particular software is available for Windows, your Mac PC, and also the Linux system. So I'll do it for Windows. I am going ahead with Windows and click on that, and once you click on that, you see that it gives you the installer guide over here. You have to click on the download installer button over here, and you see this pop-up appears. This particular is a .exe executable file. I will save this thing for now in my downloads folder and let it be where it is, and yes, it is downloaded. So now I will go to my downloads folder over here, and I'll double click on that, and I will start recording this particular screen. Yes, sorry, my mistake. I'll not start recording the particular screen. I'll install this particular software, but for the sake of the video, I have already installed this particular software over here. It's a straightforward installing process. You can easily go through it, and after you install that and go through the step-by-step guides and stuffs like that, yes, I'm quitting for now, you will find that you get this particular thing, the OBS, this particular thing that appears in the taskbar over here. You will get this particular thing. Now, since I've already installed and I've used this, so I want to give you the first-hand experience. So let me change the camera angle and get out of the screen recording, because I have to show the computer screen what happens without screen recording through OBS. So let's get to it at first. So here, as you can see in my particular screen, I'm recording in this particular angle to give you a first-hand experience of the thing. So here is a file OBS Studio that comes after you install this particular file, and once I double click on this, so you see this particular screen comes. Now if you're starting it for the very first time, it may happen with you that yes, a pop-up actually comes that asks you that whether you will use for streaming or for recording. So you can select recording over there, but nevertheless, when you're in this particular scenario, you will see that a black screen appears over here, and towards the left you see the screen is seen over here. See, just follow my mouse over here, it says seen. If I again zoom in this particular video, yes, you will see in the bottom, towards the bottom left corner, there is one set that's seen, and just next to the scenes you get sources. Now this is the most important thing over here, because you have to add your source from here. So I've selected the scene. I will just a second. I will just yeah. So this is a full screen that appears of the OBS Studio over here, and in the sources you will find that there is a plus button. I click on the plus button, and you see this particular option that says display capture. This is the thing that is needed to actually record your screen. So click on display capture, and you can name that to whatever thing you like. You feel you can give your name. I am just keeping it display capture for now for the sake of the video, and I click on OK, and over here it says the display is 1920 20 into 1080. Yes, this is a display of my laptop over here. So yes, it's selected by default, and I'll click on OK. But now, very clearly you see over here, you see a black screen over here. This is a circumstance, or this is a scenario that may happen to you once you do this particular display capture also. For some lucky people out of there, you just create the display capture and maybe it will show you the computer screen at once. But in most of the scenarios, this particular black screen will come. Now what to do once this particular black screen comes? Actually, this black screen is coming is because this particular laptop has two graphics cards. One is the inbuilt Radeon graphics card that is inbuilt integrated with the chip CPU, and there is another dedicated GPU that is an NVIDIA 1650 Ti. So for that, I have to go to graphics settings over here. I type graphics settings, click on enter, and after that you see over here in the desktop app, there's a choose an app to set the preference, browse, and you go to the OBS. Now by default it actually opens OBS folder over here, but yes, if I go over here and you see that from the C drive I have to go to the program files, and from there OBS Studio, and from there I have to go to bin, and over here I have to go to the 64-bit, and here is the installation file of OBS 64, the OBS Studio. Select and click on add, and once I click on add, you go to the options. Now over here you will see that what do you prefer for the graphics performance. You have to select power saving over here. Now mind you, power saving feature is actually used when you are screen recording, not only for games but also for other scenarios, like you want to record your screen for web browsing circumstances, or to make some tutorial videos for your YouTube channel and stuff like that. So for that you need to select power saving, click on save, and close this particular window, refresh, and again go ahead and open OBS Studio. See, the moment you do that, the display capture is there, and here it is actually recording your screen. As you can see, it's actually creating an infinite loop over here, but yes, you can see that it's recording the screen. So now when you want to record your screen, what you need to do over here is that towards the bottom right you will find that start recording. You click on start recording, wait for see this changes to stop recording over here. So over here you do anything over here. I'm just a second, I'm just browsing the OBS website for now only. I am actually browsing it over here, screen recording it, blah blah blah, opening my PC, and then again I'm going back to OBS Studio and click on stop recording. Now once you do that, you go to file and you see show recordings. Now here is one important thing also. Let me just show you at first. So yes, as you can find that the latest recording will appear at the top over here. This is a latest recording over here, and yes, this particular recording, if you see very closely over here, it is an MKV file. Now not all editors support this type of files, or if you actually want to directly upload this particular video file, maybe not all platforms support the MKV files. Now what you need to make sure over here is that it supports the format for editing or uploading also, that you have to convert the MKV files to .mp4 files. To do that, you just click on file, Remux recordings, and over here browse to the that recorded file that you want to remux. For this scenario I'm doing this particular thing, so I'm just open, and the target file is also the same as that of the originating file. So click on remux, it's remuxed, and then again I go to file, show recordings, and see this has changed to MP4. This was the original files, that was MKV file, and this has changed to MP4 file. So you can use this particular file again to edit or upload stuffs. So yes, now another important thing that I have to show you over here, for example, you want to capture yourself also, like if your laptop is having a webcam, or in my scenario the Asus GeForce G14 does not have a webcam, as I have pointed out in my review also. You can find no webcams in this particular laptop. So what I'll do is that I'll use my mobile. This particular mobile, I'll use this model also. It's a Samsung and an Android phone. You can also do it for your iPhones as well also. I have the iPhone with me, but I'll show you with my Android phone only for now. That I have a dedicated video for this as well in my channel to find it out, that how to use your mobile for a webcam. let me set it up and I'll show you how to show yourself also while screen recording with using the OBS. So yes, I have actually connected my phone also. You can check out that video that how I'm using my mobile as a webcam for this laptop. And now let me show you what you need to do in OBS. So it will be much more clearer. Now over here you can find scenes over here in the bottom left where it says display capture, and there is another plus sign. So click on the plus sign and now click on video capture device. Now let me tell you that since I'm using this particular mobile over here, so I will select video capture device, click on OK, and you see that yes, I am running this particular mobile through the software that says Irian. Check out the video for more details that how I'm using my phone as a webcam. So yes, it's showing me over here like you can see over here as well. So yes, I will click on OK for now, and you see in this particular scenario this I am actually being able to view using my mobile as a webcam. And if your laptop has an inbuilt webcam, then you just click on this video source and it will automatically detect your webcam over here. So now you can actually shorten the height over here. And now yes, if you want to crop this scenario also, you can do that by clicking on Alt, and then you just see I am cropping the portion that the mobile is seeing over here, and I will bring this portion in the bottom left towards here. I will shorten the length, and then what I'll do is that I'll start recording or start streaming also. If you want to Twitch or YouTube, you want to do online streaming, you can do streaming by using this particular scenario also. So this is a setup. Again, I will show you what I'm doing is that I am going to the OBS software over here, browsing the pages up and down, download, this is this and that, and again I'm going to this PC, and this is it, and yes, it's done. And now I'm going to OBS Studio and stop recording. And again, as I have shown you that I will remarks this recording, or just for the sake of the video, let me just show you that how it came, so you will give an idea, because I have already showed you how to remarks a recording and stuff like that. So yes, this is where the recordings comes, and this one I'll just open it over here and see over here. Let me just mute this particular volume and play the video, and let's just yes, play the video. See, yes, it came along. You will see that when the recording was going on, and you can actually see the webcam is actually constant over here in the bottom left corner. So yes, you can stream also using this particular OBS software, or also screen record, and at the very same time also show yourself in this particular scenario using your webcam or use your mobile as a webcam and do this particular stuff. So it's easy peasy end of the day. That's it, guys. So yeah, you have successfully installed and you are successfully using this particular OBS Studio for free. Mind you, it's free to screen record or even to use for streaming, and at the very same time also using your webcam while streaming or tweeting, while streaming or recording as well. Hope so this video was helpful. If you have liked it, consider liking and sharing with your friends and families. Stay subscribed and turn on the notification bell to get regular updates on my YouTube channel of eGadgets for you. That will be it, guys, for this particular video. Bye for now.